Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are diving into something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Mazda MTR concept, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you are never going to look at road travel the same way again. This is not just a vehicle. This is a rolling mansion, a statement on wheels, and quite possibly the most jaw-dropping piece of automotive engineering we have ever featured on this channel. So sit back, buckle up, and let's get into every single detail of this beast. Starting from the outside, the first thing that hits you is that deep, rich burnt copper red metallic finish. Mazda has always been known for their soul red crystal paint, but this takes it to a completely different stratosphere. The bodywork is sculpted like something straight out of a science fiction film, with smooth, flowing panels that wrap around the entire vehicle in one seamless motion. There are no sharp edges here, no awkward transitions. Every curve on this machine has a purpose, and that purpose is to make your jaw hit the floor before you even open the door. The front fascia is dominated by that massive panoramic windshield that curves dramatically from the roofline all the way down to the lower bumper section. Centered right in the middle of that dark front grille panel is the iconic Mazda winged emblem, and it looks more premium here than it ever has on any Mazda product before it. Below that, you have got those signature LED daytime running lights that slice through the lower bumper in a sharp angular design, glowing a warm amber yellow that gives the whole front end an aggressive but luxurious presence even when the vehicle is just sitting still. Moving along the side, the sheer scale of this vehicle becomes impossible to ignore. This is a double-decker layout, meaning there are two full living levels stacked on top of each other, and the exterior design handles that massive height with surprising elegance. The lower body has deeply sculpted wheel arches that house 6 enormous black multi-spoke wheels, 3 axles in total, giving this thing a road presence that is unlike anything else you will find in 2026. The tires themselves are low-profile performance rubber, which is an unusual but stunning choice for a vehicle of this size and weight. One of the most dramatic design details on the exterior is the external staircase. Yes, you read that right. There is a fully integrated staircase on the side of the vehicle with illuminated amber steps and a polished metal railing, leading up to the second level. It extends outward from the body, and when you see it lit up in person, it looks like something from a luxury yacht rather than a road vehicle. The attention to detail here is extraordinary, down to the warm underglow lighting that wraps around the base of the vehicle and highlights those massive wheel arches. Stepping inside, you are immediately transported into a world that has absolutely nothing in common with any vehicle interior you have ever experienced. The ground floor of the MTR is a fully realized living space. We are talking about wide open floor plans with premium hardwood flooring, integrated LED strip lighting in the ceiling, and floor-to-ceiling glass panels on both sides that flood the interior with natural light. The seating arrangements use hand-stitched leather in complementary dark tones, and every surface you touch feels like it belongs in a 5-star hotel rather than a moving vehicle. The second floor is where Mazda has really let their design team go absolutely wild. Up top you have a lounge and entertainment area with panoramic views through the large side windows. The ceiling height on the upper deck is genuinely comfortable, and the open-plan layout means you can move around freely without feeling cramped. There is ambient lighting throughout, built-in storage that is cleverly disguised within the body panels, and technology integration that includes a fully connected smart home system, meaning you can control lighting, climate, entertainment, and security all from a single touchscreen interface or even your smartphone. The driver's cockpit is equally impressive. It is a fully enclosed premium cabin with a digital instrument cluster, a heads-up display projected onto the curved windshield glass, and a steering yoke design rather than a traditional wheel. The driver sits elevated above traffic with exceptional visibility, and the seat itself is an air suspension multi-massage unit that makes long highway drives feel like nothing at all. On the performance side, Mazda has equipped the MTR with a hybrid powertrain setup. The primary drive system is an electric motor array producing a combined output of around 800 horsepower, backed by a hydrogen fuel cell range extender that gives the vehicle a theoretical range of over 600 miles on a full tank and full charge. The air suspension system with adaptive damping keeps the ride incredibly smooth regardless of road surface, and the 6-wheel drive configuration ensures stability even in challenging weather conditions. Now let's talk about price, because this is where things get serious. The 2026 Mazda MTR concept is expected to carry a starting price of approximately $3.5 million, with fully optioned builds reportedly pushing past the $5 million mark depending on interior specification and technology packages chosen. This vehicle represents the absolute bleeding edge of what road transport can be in 2026, and honestly, we are here for every single second of it. If you loved this review, smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and we will see you in the next one.